Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my natural, everyday, super simple makeup routine. I definitely don't wear makeup every day. I'm not a huge makeup person, but obviously there are times when you just want a little bit of makeup just to make yourself look more awake, a little more put together. So this is just the routine that I've been doing lately, and I also wanted to show you guys some of the natural products I've been loving lately. I've been trying to slowly transition all my makeup to natural products and non-toxic products. So I definitely am going to show you guys some of those today, but let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I always start with is this Pure Anada Tinted Moisturizer. This is actually made in my town, which I think is really cool, but this is a really good product. I love this stuff. I'm just going to use 2 pumps of that. Usually 1 or 2 is good. And I just apply it with my fingers just because I actually apply a lot of things with my fingers because I just feel like it blends into my skin a lot easier and nicer. Yeah, that's just what I do. So I wanted this video to be kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me. Also, hello to my 500 subscribers. I'm so excited about this. So if you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you stay. I hope you like my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. And now I want to get to 1,000. So yeah. Now, the next thing I'm going to apply is this NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and it's in the color Tan. So I'm just going to use this concealer now. Again, I like to use my fingers for this just because I like it to be really nice and natural and almost look like it's my skin, just a little bit nicer. So I'm just using my ring finger and then just tapping it in under my eyes. I should probably use a mirror for this. So I'm just really gently tapping it in, not rubbing too harshly or anything, just gently tapping. And then I like to do a little bit more around my nose as well, because I have some like slight discoloration around my nose. So just to blend that in, that should be good for concealer. Oh, also if I have any like noticeable pimples or any blemishes at all, I'll cover those up as well. Lately my forehead seems to be breaking out a lot for whatever reason. Just gonna blend those in with my fingers. I use my fingers a lot for makeup. Do you guys do that too? Or am I the only one? I just love the like natural melted skin, very like soft, glowy. I don't know. I don't like anything like powdery or cakey. And I just feel like using your fingers helps so much with that. Since I'm not using any powder, I always like to go in and just tap under my eyes a little bit. Just because I don't want it to look shiny under my eye, which sometimes that can happen. So I'm just tapping it to make sure it's nicely soaked in. And that looks pretty good, I think. Next, I'm gonna do brows. I'm just gonna use this little spoolie brush here first and brush all my brows into place. And then I'm gonna take this Beauty Counter brow gel, and this is in soft black. And then I'm just going to very gently brush the brow hairs into place and kind of shape them as I'm going. I like to use a really light hand for this because you can easily spread a big clump on there and then it's really hard to unblend once it's in there. So just very light strokes. Can always go in and add more, but it's hard to take it away once it's in there. And then once that's done, I actually like to go back in with my spoolie brush to blend that out. Just because I like my brows to look very like soft, kind of fluffy looking. And sometimes the brow gel makes them look a little like stiff, I guess. So I just find that this softens them a bit more, and I just like the look of this a bit better. I just trimmed my brows today and I kind of messed this one up. I don't know what's going on there, but it's gonna have to be good enough, I guess. So next I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush here. I have no idea where this is from. I apologize. But it's just like a fluffy eyebrow brush, or eyeshadow brush, sorry. And I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I actually like to use this as an eyeshadow, tapping off the excess. And then just putting that, okay, I need a bigger mirror. Putting that over my whole eyelid. I actually like to blend it kind of into my brow too. And then I really circle it in around my, by my nose. So if you're a new subscriber, let me know what it is you want to see from me. Because also, for those of you that don't know, I am a hairstylist. I don't currently work in a salon, but I did hair for 5 years. So I do have hairstyling experience. So I was seeing a lot of comments on my haircut video saying like, wow, you're so brave. You did such a good job. Like I would be so scared to do my own hair. But I did know what I was doing. Even though it's hard to do on your own head, I do have experience with cutting hair. So just to clear that up. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see more hair videos, tutorials? I don't know. More makeup videos, more fashion videos. I don't think I've ever done a fashion video on my channel. But I'm thinking about doing like a summer outfit video, so let me know if that's something you want to see. So right now I'm just kind of dragging the bronzer down my nose just to create like a super soft contour, if you can even call it that. Now I'm gonna take, this is the e.l.f. bronzing brush. Why is it so hard for me to say? e.l.f. bronzing brush. I'm gonna use this with the Hoola bronzer to just very lightly set under my eyes on top of that concealer I put down earlier. And then I'm just gonna drag it out over the rest of my face, just to make sure everything's blended and to get rid of any shininess that might be under my eyes or anywhere else. Next, I'm going to take Glossier Haloscope highlighter, and this is in the color Topaz. So I'm just gonna put that on all the high points of my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my fingers and just blend it all out. And that's done. And now I'm gonna use my Pure Anada lip and cheek tint. And this is in the color Harriet. I love this blush. I actually love using cream blushes now. I never used to use them. I used to always use powder, but the creams are good. I like them a lot. This is kind of weird, but I like to like rub the excess over all 3 of my fingers, and then I use those to blend out the blush. And then I like to bring it over my nose a bit too, just because that seems to give a nice, natural, almost sun-kissed look. Now I'm gonna use my Pure Anada mascara. As you can see, I really like this brand. This is the natural mascara in the color black. This mascara is actually, I feel like it moisturizes my lashes too, if that makes sense. It's super good. I've been loving it. And especially for a natural mascara, I just really like this one. It works really well. So I usually just do the tops of my lashes. I don't know why, but I hate doing it on the bottom. I just feel like it doesn't suit my face. So that's it for mascara. And now I think we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna do some lips. This has been my favorite lip pencil lately. This is by Annabelle, and it's the shade Demure. And then sometimes I'll use a gloss, but I don't know if I feel like a gloss today. So I'm gonna use this, pretty sure this is pure Anada, and it's the color Vixen. Just this kind of like soft pink color. A little goes a long way with this stuff, so I just put like a tiny swipe on, and then I'm just going to get rid of any excess, like that. Oh, and I forgot, for highlighter, I always like to go back in with my pinky finger and just put that in the inner corners of my eyes. That is pretty much the finished look. Like I said, it does change slightly depending on like what lipstick I use or if I do a gloss or no gloss, but this is usually, for the most part, what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like this little everyday, simple, super easy makeup tutorial. This literally took me like 10 minutes, I think, to apply, maybe 15. I don't know, my timer says 25 minutes, but I feel like it wasn't that long. But anyway, it's super quick to do. It's perfect for like FaceTime or Zoom calls if you have meetings and you just need a little something. Or if you're just going out but you don't want to do a full face of makeup, you just want something light and natural, this is perfect. This is pretty much the only makeup I ever do, but I love like a natural, just a natural looking makeup look. So I will stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave it a like and leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you thought of it. And also let me know what else you guys want to see from me. I know there's a lot of new subscribers here, so I'd love to hear what you guys want to see. And if you're not subscribed and you did like this video, please subscribe for future videos so you never miss one. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.